Pick up the phone!
Kate Monster teaches kindergarten and longs for love. Love. A very basic human need, but a very basic monster need too.
Wait. 5 pounds and counting. Phone messages. 0. Cigarettes. None. I don't smoke. Oreo cookies. 1,526. And counting.
All by myself. Don't wanna be all by myself anymore.
By making a pledge for Kate today, you can help her towards the purchase of a monthly membership to monstermatch.com. Donate today and help her find a monster worth spending her life with.
Yeah, so I grew up on a farm and we raised ducks. But now I work in IT. Mainly I talk to people on the phone all day and help them log back into their computers. I sure miss the ducks though. Have you ever eaten duck? It's delicious. And I'm watching into football and going to hockey games. So, I have a question.
Yeah?
When can I see you next?
Hi, I'm Gary Coleman. No, I'm not a puppet. And no, I'm not a monster. I'm an ex-child celebrity. And if anyone knows, I know what it's like to have a rough time in life and have people push you around and not give a flying squirrel what the hell happens when the laughter ends. That's why I've donated to Pup Vision last week. And I've gone the extra mile too. Princeton here couldn't get a temp job this week, so I've hired him to clean my toilets.
Well, that's a great start, Gary. But Princeton, like thousands of other puppets in the world, is searching for his purpose in life and for a profession that he can take pride in.
Snakes! Why there have to be snakes? I've got a package for you.
Give the gift that keeps on giving. Donate today and help me make my next film, Star Whores, Episode 69. It's a trilogy.